The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyait Singh Siem, has announced a significant gathering of all Khasi clans at the Dorbar Ikhtiar Pajba or Kadorbar Ba Kabriu Hinyotrem. The event is scheduled for the 18th of January 2025 at 10:30 a.m. at the second ground Polo Shillong. Speaking to the media today, Panyait Singh Siem stated that the event aims to recognize and empower traditional bodies, including members of the Dorbar Shnong, Rangba Dong, Sengkanthay and Sengsamla Shnong across areas under KHADC jurisdiction.
Men hakan nyu tarik kebangi kenduk janmiat hayeng Governors House ya kebangi lap shim ya karai ba khat pra tarik hakapor shipho shiteng on penlong ya kanika Dorbar Ikhtiar Pajba Hamadan Pulo second ground te lingba kini kilat patai kubon ni khot ni wer ni kentu ya ki khun ki hajar ki khasi ki khara baro ki para ki persa ki kur ki nongkit kam shnong ki seng samla ki Sengkanthay senglong kami bakin ya lumlang baro banwan syakate kamadan but hakate kesni la khot ru nakaliang jungi lingba ki siem bangila penpoi ke shiti bala kumno shipongot naka Dorbar Shnong ki hab banwan naka wei ke shnong shipongot naka Sengsamla shipongot naka Sengkanthay senglong kami ki hab banwan naka wei ke shnong baro kanika bri nyotra te kani dikalong ka jingkentu ka jingkhot jingwe namar kani kam dei ka kam jong ka KHDC ndai ka dei ka kam jong ilang ka dei ka kam ka jong phi ba ngin yo yakum kani ka bor ka ikhtiar ka bala penkup hangi lingba jong kini ki an ki bangla pule menta kanu kalong ka jing so sarong ya ka ri ka jong ni ba hadin nyo phu arteli ki snam bangila yo district council ban shnaan dala de ngidang yo pat menta ya kini ki an ki badan kambha namta ban penyateli ya ka jai penriu.
The Chief Executive Member of the KHLDC also highlighted amendments to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act 2023, which provides for the formal recognition of all frontal organizations of the Dorbar Shnong. Additionally, he revealed that the KHADC has decided to recognize approximately 5,000 clans in the Khasi Hills region as mandated by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Customs of Lineage Act 1997, which was amended in 2023 to include clan administration.
Te hakata ka sngi ka bangin penlong ya ka Dorbar ban ithu ya ka jing trekam jong ki Dorbar Shnong kan donru ka jing ithu kerpang lene ka recognition ya ki sengkur bapher hangni po bri nyotra te hadu menta ko mangitip lingba ki jing tho lene ki documentation lene ki research work ki jingwat benya ki jingwat tip jong ki rio shampang lalap ba don kumba san hajar teli kiniki kur khasi ki jongi kiniki jat ki kur khasi ki jongi te nakaliang jongi ni sodai banadu usnam arja khandai la persyang shwai kataru ngakan mau haka executive committee jong iba HS shila haus nam arja khakla ilawan ra yakawe ka jingtmu banwan ra ikawe ka bill kata ka bakitip kum ka clan administration bill arja khatra kani ka bill ka jingtmu kalong kumno ban te song lene ban penyateli yaki sengkur bapher hakabri nyotra umdai tang ka jingte song ne jingateli batru ban ithu daka an yakiniki kur khasi bapher te namar ta kadaw lawan ra ta ka bil bat khamshim lapoi shakathong namar nakidaw kiba kumne kumtai kiba mi bat de hakani kenti menta bangi suthu ba kaladon lupa kani ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act khat khandai spa khandai punyo ni wan ra no daka amendment house nam arja kulai but hapo jong kani ka lineage la penrung ya ka clan administration hangne poka amendment te but hadin bala penrung ya kani ka clan administration hakani ka amendment la suthu menta bala ba nakaliang ka KHDC ni hab bandon ya u registrar hapo jong ka office ban pediang yaki application jong ki kur bapher hapo rikhasi bakin long kita ki sengkur ki bala itu dakaan. But namar kata ni lakhot ni lawer ni la kentu ye ki sengkur ba pher hapo kabri nyo trap bakin one sha office jongka KHDC bani kendu yo registrar ban yo ban register ye ki sengkur ki jongki hapo jongka nikaan. But nga kenturu ye ki kur ba pher ki bam shim pat lala ban wan ban register ki don kam shwa ban kin hap ban lum ya ka dor barkur hang ni kala shai bah ka ni ka section ka balai jong ka principal bat ka section ka ba ar jong ka principal kala ong ka don ru ka ni ka definition jong ka dor barkur ngan puli ko makalong dor barkur means a customary meeting of the respective khasi kur comprising of both male and female adults belonging to the kur or clan concerned. Kamamut kino ki sengkur ki badan hari khasi ki hab ban lum shwa da ka dor barkur. But hapo jong kata ka dor barkur ki hab ban jit yi ki nongkit kam jong kini ki kur ki jong ki. Andala dep ban jit yi ki nongkit kam ki hab ban tho show registrar jong ki HDC ban register ka kur jong ki ban yi ki nongkit kam ki jong ki. Namar ba day lingba kini kirang bakur ban sayo ban iPad ye ki clan certificate dan ki kur certificate syaki khun syaki ni ki para ki persa jong ki kur ki jong ki te namar takadaw kalong badan kam hadu kata
Clan registration will be managed by a dedicated registrar. However, for individuals unable to directly approach the registrar, the Sinjuk ki Rangbakur Kabri Uhnyotrep and the Sinjuk Kadorbar Kur Kabri Uhnyotrep have been authorized to forward clan registration applications to the KHADC, informed the Chief Executive Member of the Council.
But nakaliang na jongiru ni kentu ya kinu kikur let's say ki ba shitam ban poi shadusha district council ban register yaladi kila ru ban ya kendu ya kinongkit kam jong kini ki senjuk jong ki rang bakur ka berhi nyotrap bat ru kila ban kendu ya kini ki nongkit kam jong ka senjuk jong ka dorbar kur jong ka berhi nyotrap kila ban kendu ngatrai ni ki sngi kin sa ai ke jing pentip nakaliang jong kiru ba kila ban pediang ya ki application na benta ban pen forward lam shani shapa office jong ka KHDC ban le ya ka badan kam